Hey, Kamakana is going to make for his nana a potato.
A potato, cauliflower soup.
Right. Okay, so he peeled all the.
I peeled all the potatoes
Okay.
and carrots.
Okay, and then what are we going to do next? Very simple. What's next?
Put in the potatoes.
Okay.
All the carrots. We're going to put this in.
Cauliflower. The onions, garlic, and thyme. And then the cauliflower.
Put this on here.
Okay, the butter. We got a little bit of butter.
And then we put this.
The cauliflower in there. Okay, we got frozen cauliflower. And then what next?
Then we put all this liquid.
You dropped one in the back.
Oh.
Yeah, grab that. Okay, put that in. And we got two and a half cups of chicken broth that you put, what, pepper in it?
Yes.
Pour that. Pepper. Okay, so pour it all in. Okay, do the other one. This is really easy. Kids can do it. I had a tooth implant today, so Nana needs some soup. So his job is soup. All right, then what do we do next? Put the lid on.
Put the lid on.
No, the wrong way. You gotta go there. Bring it here. It's backwards. Up. Lift it up.
Oh.
There we go. Hear the beep. Then what do you gotta choose?
Soup.
Turn the wheel to
soup.
A soup. And press the button. And that's it. And we're gonna wait. And we're gonna let this cook. And when we're done, we're going to put it in a bowl and add some grated cheese, and we'll have a nice soup. This will take about 30 minutes. All right, thank you, Kamakana.
Bye.